So in this video, we are going to do a little bit of setups. So we're going to add material CSS for the icons because I want to put one icon here. When I click on it, it will take me to a view or component, Livewire component. So I will be able to upload a video. Also, we are going to add Albine.js, which is a very basic JavaScript library. It takes, the idea of Vue.js if you're coming from Vue.js, but in very simple way, and it works hand in hand with Livewire because they are from the same creator. So we're gonna add that one as well. And one thing I would like to mention, because in the previous lessons, when we have the channel modification and we added Livewire component, I mentioned there's a way that we are taking the data from, or the route, it's coming from the route, then it goes to the view, and then view, I'm passing something to the controller. There is a controller here in between. If I add controller, so it comes like this. So this one will be the data. The first thing, it will come from the route, it goes to controller, and then controller will fetch the data. It will pass it. If I delete this one, it will pass it to the view, and the view with the component. Let me just connect this one. So this is the flow from the route, controller, view, Livewire, and this is just to understand the flow of the data. But there is something interesting in Livewire which can bind directly, which called full page binding or rendering. So it's coming from the route directly to the Livewire component, and Livewire component can then take the data through the data from the database using the eloquent queries, and then pass it directly to the component. And this is what we are going to do going forward with the video edit, video create, and showing all videos, plus video show or play. So this is the plan. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll go to the main. I will start with the routes. We'll make one group of routes, which is basically similar to this one, but it will be mainly for the views. I would like to prepare this one, but let me go to the middleware auth and then create one function, and it will be something like, let me open it completely. So it will be route get videos, and then channel create. So this is one route. I will just, for a moment, I will make it as comment, and then I'm going to my terminal. I will create few Livewire components. So as we saw, Livewire HP artisan, make Livewire, then we'll mention the route. I think we'll make it under video this time, and then we'll start with create video. This is one component. I will create all of them. So edit video, and then also I'll make one show video. We might use it later. And then last one will be all videos. So I have created all of these. So now let's go back to my routing and make Livewire videos channel create. It will, instead of this class, it's basically going to, I will remove everything here. See the difference? And then I will say create video. So it will add the create video class. If you go, it is added or not, create video, yes, from Livewire video live. So it is creating this one. This one will be video.create. So just preparing everything. So when we do the front end, it'll be easy for us. Then I'm going to copy this one. This time will be view channel, and then I would like to get the video. So because I would like to edit, and it will go to edit video and video.edit, and let me do also video channel only, which is basically it will take all videos. This is for index page, and we can mention it maybe video.all or video.index. Let's make it all right now. So there is no controller in between. We should be fine now if everything working fine. And let's go to the app.blade, which is the main app. And I would like to add something I mentioned here, just a button, but I will add few things like, you know, because I'm going to use this icon, I will add material CSS like so. Copy this one, the CDN. We're going to use the CDN. So in this video, we're going to do some of what we call it setups. So let me copy it again and go back. This will be material eyes CSS or icons, material icon, material icons. Let's do that. And also I will add, because since I'm here, let me add a CDN for Alpine.js. So I'll copy this one, can keep it on the head as well, can mention this is Alpine.js, okay, and copy this one, paste Alpine.js. So I add Alpine CSS. Now I should be able to use the icons. So where I want to keep it, actually under, this is the guest. Once the guest is done, so we're gonna start if register and then end if, I think it should be here. So let's do one li with the class nav item, okay, and I think we should do also another one which is nav link. So if I start with a with class nav link and say test, let's see whether it will work fine here or not. Yes, it's okay now. So I will use the video underscore call. Let me copy this one and go back and keep it here. Oh, sorry, because I need to add div here or span called material dash icons. Should detect it this way. Let's see if it works or not. Here we go. So when I click on this one, I want to go basically to a route. This route called from video.create, and just go there, and I don't want to pass anything except the channel. So the channel, how can I get the channel? So channel, basically I will create one array here or called channel, and then I'll pass, as you know, that the auth user, why it's not detecting, okay, so it'll be auth user, and then because of the relationship I can get the channel like this. But I think something wrong here, because this should be detected as a code or, okay, yes, I got it. I forget to make this under this way. So I am passing the channel with this and should be working fine. So let's go. But I think we will miss something in the on the layout, which is we are going to talk about. So when I click here, it goes to the create, but we are not seeing create. Now let's make something very simple on the create. So we'll go, we know that from previous videos that now if I am here, for example, and create, and if I am passing a variable, let's assume that, let's make sure that this is working. I can say public channel, for example, or name. I'm passing my name, for example. Now this should be going, even okay, my name, this should be in the create. Now if I go in the other one, which is the view for this component, under Livewire views, and then so create, so let me under each one I print my name like this. If this works fine, okay, name like this. So let's go and see. Think it will not work. If we go to the documentation of Livewire, if we want to do this full page rendering, then we have to do something called, to be able to use the normal content. And if we go in the blade, main blade here, the content normally comes under the yield content. So to be able to do that, we have to do something on this Livewire. We have to extend the main layouts.app. So we have to do this way, or there's another way also. They mentioned, let's try this one to work or not. Extends, and let's refresh. So this is working fine now. There is another way, just to be aware that because by default it will look for slot. Okay, so full page rendering mentioned here that it will look for slot. So I can replace that with slot, but because I'm using that for other stuff, it will make an issue. So I can add it as optionally here, or I can do, for example, another layout. You can create layout.base and then put it with this option layout. It's very flexible, or a slot main if you want, also a layout and then a slot main and inside layout. But I want to make it simple, so going forward I'm trying to make this one working with the content itself. So just before closing this one, let me go to the other, which is basically this one, and show as well. So it should be all working fine doing this way. So from next video, we're gonna create the form or prepare the form for our uploading the video.